Hi, I'm Pat Hindle from Microwave Journal. I'm here at European Microwave Week 2021 in London. I'm talking with David Diez. He's a Managing Director at Erzia. So David, to those who aren't familiar, can you tell us a little bit about Erzia and your space heritage that you have?
Yes, in Erzia we started already 20 years ago, and we started to work with the European Space Agency, so this is our background. But nowadays we do a lot more things about space. We remain keeping our space heritage with amplifiers, specifically low noise and high power, but we have extended our activity to the aerospace and defense markets, which nowadays are our principal markets.
So can you tell us a little bit about the products that you're featuring in your booth today?
Yes, absolutely. So we have a wide representation of our COTS amplifiers. They go from very low frequencies up to millimeter waves, more than 100 gigahertz. And we have more than 200 COTS already available for purchase, and much others made on demand. So we are just showing here some of the, let's say, the top level amplifiers, like the very wideband amplifiers for electronic warfare, both in low noise and high power, like 2 to 20 gigahertz amplifier, delivering more than 10 watts. We are also focusing in 400 watts amplifiers for radar with the latest gallium nitride technology, small shape and weight, reduced weight compared with the market. And not only about amplifiers, we also do integrated assemblies, which go one level more of integration. And in that regard, we have this plane there because we are very well active in this year with block-up converters and low noise down converters for aviation, both military and civil, which is one of the highlights of our products, and specifically for these amplifiers that can be set for both bands in one single unit.
And so going forward, what are your product plans maybe this year for new releases?
Yes, for new releases, we are focusing the SATCOM market with new block-up converters with higher powers, and also we are working very high with low noise amplifiers. Now we have one of the best noise figures in the industry in Ka band, and our intention is to lower it more. And in radar, we are also looking for new releases with higher power in X band for military radars.
Well, David, thank you so much for talking with us today from European Microwave Week 2021 in London.
Thank you.